Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn about the objective of accounting. Objective of accounting. There are the four objectives. First one, to maintain a recording of books, recording of books. Next, to ascertain results of business operation, results of business operation. Third one, to ascertain the status of the status of the business, to ascertain the status of the business. Last one, to generate and communicate information to the users. Clear? Now first one, to maintain recording of books or books of accounts, to ascertain results of business operation. Third one, to ascertain to status of the business or business, to generate and communicate information to the users. First one, to maintain a recording of books. Nowadays, the volume of business transactions are so large. A human memory cannot be observed each and every transaction of the business. Therefore, accounting is doing to keep a systematically recording of transactions like assets, liabilities, expenses, revenues is called recording of books. Nowadays, the volume of business are so large. A human memory cannot observe each and every transactions of business. The human memory cannot be observed each and every transaction of business. Therefore, accounting is done. To keep a systematic to keep a systematic recording of transactions like our assets, liabilities, expenses, and revenue. Clear? First objective, maintain recording of books. Every business organization nowadays the value means size. Business are so large. Daily number of transactions like purchase, sales, a human memory cannot be observed. Each and every transaction of a business. Like small example, Suresh start a business. Now daily number of transaction. Now first day 50 transaction, second day 30, third day or fourth day 100, 100, and fifth day 200. But each and every transaction should not observe the Suresh. That's why Suresh maintains the books. Maintaining the books is systematically recording of each and every transaction like assets, liabilities, expenses, revenues is called as a to maintain recording of books. Clear? And once again, nowadays the value of business transactions are very so large. A human memory cannot be observed each and every transactions of business. Therefore, accounting is done to keep a systematically recording of transaction, assets, liabilities, expenses, and revenue. Business transactions are so large. Clear? Now, second one, results of business operation. To measure the financial performance of the business. To measure the financial performance of the business. To measure financial performance of the business in the operation, ascertain by preparing profit and loss account. Profit and loss account of the each year. Maintain a systematically of all expenses and revenue or income to prepare profit and loss account of the enterprise or business. Clear? Second one, results of business operation to measure, first of all, measuring, identifying the first of all transaction, monetary terms, each and every monetary terms measure financial performance of the business. Financial performance of the business in the operation by preparing profit and loss account. By preparing profit and loss account of the each year. Maintain a systematically all expenses, revenues, and finally prepare the profit and loss account of the enterprise. Now, small example: Suresh maintained at the end of the accounting period total of the cash 70,000 into the firm. Now, at the end of the accounting period, expenses 20. Now, remaining 50,000 is called as a profit. Now, total investment or cash into the business 70,000. Daily sales, purchase, and finally at the end of the accounting year, totally expenses of the 20,000, remaining 70,000 minus 20,000, remaining 50,000 profit for the firm. These are the results of the business operation. Results for the business operation. Now, third one, to ascertain the status of the business organization or business firms. Now, third one, to evaluate financial position of the business. Financial position of the business. To evaluate financial position of the business, to prepare is to prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet. This shows financial strength or weakness of the enterprise. Clear? These are the status of the business. Now, once again, to evaluate financial position. Financial position is nothing but at the end of the accounting period, Suresh further conducting the business. Now, present here, how many assets and how many liabilities is known as a financial position of the business. Is to prepare balance sheet. Yesterday I didn't mention the balance sheet is not a account, it is a statement. This balance sheet shows financial strength or weakness of the enterprise. Balance sheet is nothing but statement. Liabilities and assets. How much assets, how much liabilities into the firm. Now financial strength or weakness of the enterprise is third one, status of the business. Okay. Now last one. Okay, last one. To generate, communicate information to the users. Accounting, information, accounting, communicate information to the users of internal and external. The internal users include included into the participated of the firm or organization or business. The internal users included into the participated of firm or the management side and planning and finally decision making. These are the internal users. Participation into the management side, planning side and the decision making. Now external users included into the externally. Now total information about the external users, like external users are the creditors, bankers, next suppliers and customers, etc. These are the external users. Now you know about at the end of the accounting period, show the financial statements and financial position of the business, creditors and banks providing to the some loans and borrowed from the institution, borrowed from the firms, borrowed from the organizations. That's the information regarding the providing information regarding to the external users. Okay, that's it. Generate and communicate information to the users. And finally, once again, first one, recording of books, a systematic recording of the books of accounts. Second one, financial results. Third one, financial position. systematically recording of transactions, assets, expenses, incomes, etc. Financial performance, easily find out, and status, financial position, and finally communicating information to the internal and external users. Okay, that's the object of accounting.